Your story is amazing on so many levels regarding that national team. I mean, we we saw the news that you had some issues during the preparations, and then all of a sudden you come back and you play the first game against Spain, and I was
There was a crazy story. We had a friendly game
yeah
in the first week of the training camp, and I had a different type of pain. It's not that you're tired or something, but I was just still thinking like, okay, I must be tired. It's just first week of the training camp, so. And I told Gila like, sub me out. Like I cannot do it. We went to the hospital. They said that it's some type of arrhythmia. If you go and play the Eurobasket, which the so many games in such a short time, it's most likely it's gonna repeat it. We have to do a ablation, like a
yeah
little surgery.
yeah yeah
I was gonna play 5 minutes, 10 minutes in,
yeah
in Spain.
to catch
Yes,
something. Yeah,
10, 12 minutes in
yeah.
Italy, and then I'll play this. So we are at the half, and I have 14 minutes already.
I remember I did that
Yes,
game.
and
Yeah.
I'm like, we can really beat Spain. But in the end, it paid off. Thank God that
Yeah.
nothing serious for me, and we won the game.